Okay.
No, yeah.
I have nothing to wear. But in a game, does that count as all white?
But you get from South Africa, what does it?
Can't come.
Why?
Who's an American? Paper.
To get to the good accommodation.
Will you send me a private jet?
Yeah, private jet, everything. Because I'm going to private jet. I don't have a private jet.
To South Africa, I think it's Tamari.
Yeah.
I mean, I see
This
6,000.
India.
I wouldn't know, Shango. I don't own no.
That's the one. One trip.
It's okay. No, when is it? So you wanna fly me?
Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah, so that I can end up with up show how much? Because I'm too now able to pay.
Yes, you shall go away.
God knows what comment section is put it.
Go to China. I'm watching the ones of Zimbabwe. Now, it's a good one earlier. Wow,
I don't know. I'll think about it. Ask me nicely. My data show me that say
Saturday 18. And Sunday, I don't give
and the freebies. It's not like because when you go put in no, I mean, aren't you coming to see me anyway? I didn't know what I also feel like it's a mission. I don't get why I should get to the airport. Like, just the preparation you're going to the airport is just stressful. So to know, in 2 hours.
Zvaita. Chikafu chaita zvakanaka.
I was craving this.
Mashed potato.
I was craving mashed potatoes. And veggies. I was craving this.
Good.
This, let me taste this. These are my favorite, my old time. Wow, nice. Okay, bye.
Thank you.